Welcome to the future of modular office spaces. Introducing The Hive, Site Office Module by Relocatable for sales and marketing. The Hive offers limitless configurations to cater to your unique business needs, all with customizable options. Our design maximizes space, creating seamless transitional interiors, offering all the necessary amenities for a connected office experience. Abundant natural light fills our site office through floor-to-ceiling windows and doors, creating an inviting ambience. The Hive is not just a workspace, it's a revolution in office design. Take it wherever you go, with no more long-term leases or costly build-outs. The Hive offers the flexibility to adapt to your business's ever-changing demands. Envision your team flourishing in a modern, eco-friendly workspace crafted for productivity and comfort. Embrace the future of sustainability and flexibility with the Hive Boxable Site Office from Relocatable. The future of workspaces is here, and it's as innovative as your business. Make the change and experience the Hive. Don't hesitate. Elevate your business with the Hive. Are you ready for the future? Explore the Hive at unparalleled.com. Get in touch with us today at hello@unparalleled.com or call us at +91 89800 97999. Your future office awaits.